What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this channel. My name's Elliot. My beautiful wife Kelly is inside our home resting. God bless her soul. This short video will basically go over the Tesla Model Y accessories that we've purchased throughout the first couple of months of our ownership. It's been a great journey overall. We don't have any negative things to say. Everything for us has been really smooth and convenient with our EV. This is our first electric vehicle. We definitely had to get used to it in the beginning, but now it's super convenient. I actually was talking to my wife earlier today. I was like, babe, this was a really good investment. Like, if I'm able to go back in time before purchasing this car, I would still pull the trigger to purchase this vehicle. That's how great it's been for us. Maybe it hasn't been that great for other people. We are glad to share you guys the accessories that we've bought. We're not sponsored by any of these products. By no means we're trying to influence you on purchasing them. We've just thought about these throughout our daily driving, and we found that they're almost critical to have. So maybe they're really useful for you guys. Or if you're curious on a certain product, let us know in the comments and we can possibly purchase it. I gotta ask my wife first before purchasing it, so like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Accessory number one, this is a car cup holder expander, and it's pretty much adjustable. Basically, my wife owns really large cups because she just drinks excessive amount of water. So they naturally just don't fit in these regular cup holders, right? We had to purchase this. You put it in here, boom, and then you just twist it clockwise to make it bigger. And then boom, it's your new cup holder and you have a larger cup. Alright, product number two. Sorry for the echo. But these are the Basinor, however you want to pronounce it, mud flaps. These have been extremely useful because, as you can see, I just put this on a couple days ago, and you can see that there's already dirt behind it, and there would be more if those flaps weren't there. So let me show you guys the back one. So they're pretty nice. They look good. They go with the car. So does that look good or what? Alright, and this is the right side. So you can see, looks pretty cool. If it weren't for this, there would be a bunch of dirt right here. So it's pretty cool. And they're really easy to install too. All you need is a screwdriver and a wrench. The next thing is this holder. This has been really convenient, and it's only 20 bucks. And you can see it's right. Thing is hanging right there. You lift it, take it out, put it in your car. Boom, let's go to bed. Those are called cover foot aluminum non-slip pedals. Got these in Amazon for $24. I love these. It just makes the car look really cool, more sporty. The ones that it originally comes with are just rubber, and they tend to get brown because you know how you step on dirt every day, and it just gets really dirty and kind of looks ugly. So this like silver aluminum makes it look pretty cool. These are the center console organizers that I also got for Christmas. On Amazon you can get them for $24. So it's pretty cool. You can put your coins, some like chapstick or anything. Like leaving it like that's kind of awkward, and you just gotta dig in. If you have this organizer, you can put stuff that you don't really use below it, and then you just insert that. And over here you have another one, so you can put your shades, some more chapstick because lips out here be dry, and then you also have your storage, and you can just pull it out. Bada bing. And this is also another part of the accessory for your center console. If you want to put any secret stuff in here that you don't want people to know, such as a random cable, this is the perfect spot. So you just slide up and no one knows you have it. We have a glass screen protector by Spigen. Amazon, you can get it for $40. It's pretty cool. It doesn't really show any like fingerprints. This is a critical thing to have because the last thing you want is random scratches or fingerprints that you can't take off your screen. This next accessory is a Samsung SSD card that we got for a terabyte. You can get it at Amazon for $100, or you can get less memory if you want. This is useful for whenever you want your Sentry mode to be enabled every time you go out. In case something happens to your car, you have proof. 1 terabyte should be enough storage for quite a long time. And one of my favorites, it was a Christmas present, and this is a spoiler wing. On Amazon, this is $80, and it's pretty much a matte black. It looks pretty cool. Makes the car look sporty. And it just sticks. This is a sunshade that you can get on Amazon for $20. This is the Shirano sunshade. And this is really big, but it covers the entire front and it's one piece. If you have a passenger, you just gotta be careful. Make sure you don't poke their eye out. So you just put this and then you extend it. And then you just put it over here. Velcro. Don't do that. And then boom. This is perfect when you live in an environment that's 100 degrees or more. It doesn't let any sun penetrate through because it pretty much covers from side to side. So for 20 bucks, and this sunshade is pretty good. The last accessory that we have are the floor mats. We got the full set from Tap Test on Amazon, and you can get it for about $2.79. So this is the trunk. The material, it's like non-slip, I mean, and it's like rough. So it has a cool design, and the back, it has a lot of grip for it to not slide throughout your vehicle. These are the back seat floor mats. It's all just one piece. As you can see, it's dirty. But like I said, the material's really good. Feels really durable, and it's like an all-weather floor mat because if you have dirt, it'll clean off, or if you have mud, you can just wash it. And these are the front ones. We've had these for about a month. So they get pretty dirty, but you can put them on top of the regular ones that the Tesla comes with. And like I said, it has a pretty cool design. So, and that is the very dirty passenger side. And what I really like about this set is that it also comes with the frunk accessory. So this has been pretty useful for us when we have groceries or anything and we don't want it to slip. It stays pretty sturdy in here. You can simply just put it on top and it slides right in, and it looks pretty cool.